Today, we're exploring the incredible 4.6 billion year story of how our planet was even born. Earth wasn't always this beautiful blue marble. It started as a hellish world. So how'd that happen? All right, let's rewind the clock way back. 4.6 billion years ago, before planets, there was just darkness. And in that darkness, a giant cloud of dust and gas was just drifting. This was the solar nebula. Then, bam, a nearby star exploded, sending shock waves that made this whole cloud collapse and spin. Right at the center, the pressure got so intense, it ignited nuclear fusion. And just like that, our sun was born. Now, this brand new sun was greedy. It gobbled up 99.8% of everything in that cloud.
So what about that leftover 0.2%? Well, that became everything else. Planets, moons, us. But how?
The answer is something called accretion. Basically, tiny dust particles just started clumping together. Over millions of years, these clumps got bigger and bigger, eventually forming city-sized protoplanets. This idea was once laughed at. Now it's a key part of planetary science.
So welcome to early Earth, a seriously violent place, fittingly called the Hadean Eon. Think Hades.
Protoplanets were smashing into each other constantly, keeping the entire planet a literal ocean of magma. But these crazy collisions actually brought a gift. Icy comets and asteroids, they were delivering water. In all this chaos, something else huge happened. The moon was born. The leading theory? The giant impact hypothesis. So, a Mars-sized planet named Saya slammed into Earth. All the debris from that crash eventually became our moon. And this wasn't just about the moon. That impact actually tilted our planet, which is why we have seasons. Okay, so once the collisions died down, Earth started to sort itself out. It's called planetary differentiation. It's pretty simple, really. The heavy stuff, like iron, sank to the core, and lighter stuff floated up. This whole sorting process is what created the 5 layers we have today, from the core to the crust. And this part is absolutely crucial. The liquid outer core created our magnetic field, Earth's protective shield. So from a world of lava, this amazing chain of events created the perfect recipe for life. The journey from a cloud of dust to our living world was so incredibly rare, and now its future is in our hands.